Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary Ellen. Welcome. So it's actually Friday today and it's the last weekend before we start school, so I have a ton of things to do. So I just wanted to bring you along and show you what my typical weekend would look like as I prep for school. But today on the agenda, I do have to drop off a package at the post office. It's actually a Poshmark package. I do have a Poshmark page, and what I do is I usually just put up some of my clothing that I do not really wear, or brand new clothing actually that sometimes I get and they don't really fit. So I just put them up there for a really cheap price. So people can get it basically. So yeah, I do have to drop that off. I had a sale last night, so I decided to just go ahead and drop it off today. And then after that, I do have to go to the school because I have some project related work, totally boring stuff. I don't think I'll show that, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the package, and then I'll drop it off at the post office. I do want to do some grocery shopping because it's supposed to snow tomorrow, but I don't know. We'll see if that works or not. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so here's the package, and I actually started getting it ready last night, and what I have in here is a shirt dress from Misguided, and it was way too oversized, even though I did size down to a US 2, but it was way too big. And then the other top is right here. It's like a jacquard material, but that too was really itchy and it was small, so they just had to go. So usually what I do is write like a personalized note just to add a little pizzazz to it. That's what I usually do with all my packages. But yeah, I'm just gonna get this ready, and I'll be off to the post office. I can't believe this is this expensive. It's like almost $7 now. I used to get it for $5. I don't know if it's cheaper at Target, but it's really expensive here. And I really need it. So I guess I'll just have to get it. Alright you guys, so I'm back home and it's about 5 p.m. I did everything that I needed to do, and also went grocery shopping, which is great. I usually go once a month because that's more feasible for me as a student, but today I just grabbed a few things because I felt like I didn't have a lot of time to go do my entire shopping. This thing takes time, okay? Usually it takes me about 2 hours to do everything. So yeah, like I said, I just grabbed a few things, specifically stuff that I would need in the upcoming week, and some of the things that I need for my meal prep tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. Let's start with the frozen food so I can put those away. Anyways, I got some Cornish hens and some chicken egg rolls. These are my favorite because all I do is pop them into the air fryer, and that's dinner for me. Got some carrots, some tomatoes, onions, red bell peppers. I'm gonna be using those tomorrow. And then I got some bacon. I tried this at my sister's and I liked it, so wanted to pick that up. Also got some wheat bread, 2 packs of those, and just the regular white bread. Also got a bunch of bananas and these chicken breast slices. Sorry, I like these a lot too. I usually eat them for breakfast, either alone or with eggs, so that's great. And last but not the least, I got a bunch of skincare stuff. So yeah, I didn't even get a lot, but when I saw the bill I was like, oh my gosh, why is everything so expensive? But yeah, this is all I got today. So now the game plan is to put these things away and then find something to eat. Like, I'm so tired. It was a long day and I didn't really drink a lot of water, which I know is bad, but I don't know. I think I just lost track of time and I did not drink at all. So I think what I'm gonna do after putting these stuff away is find something to eat, and I think I'm gonna eat the leftover egusi that I got from my sister. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but yeah, it was really good and it wasn't spicy, so that's always a good thing. I'm gonna make it with my favorite, which is pounded yam. Yo, you guys, I'm starting to be a Nigerian babe, okay? I need to find me a Nigerian name. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be eating, and then I guess I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night since I don't really have a lot of things to do. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Welcome back to the vlog. So it's Saturday and it's actually quite late. It's almost 2 p.m. but I'm about to start cooking itself. I've been prepping all this while. So I want to cook fish pepper soup, and that's just because I've been wanting to try healthier options this year. So I thought I might as well start with something that has maybe less oil and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I cook it, and I'm kind of craving puff puff or pancake. So I'm thinking that I'd make that as well. So we'll see if that actually materializes. But yeah, that's the plan for today, and I'm also going to be cleaning and organizing my apartment. So as you can see, I have a little bit of oil in here. Once it gets hot, which it's almost about to be, I'm going to add in this mixture, and in here I just have some red bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. So all I did was chop them up, boil them down, and then blended them, and that's how I got this creamy mixture. Oh my god, this is gonna be so messy. As you can see, it's already doing that right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning this area. I just had the biggest disappointment of my life, you guys. Turns out the cherry is bad. So I had kept this in the fridge when I was supposed to have it in the freezer, so it's completely bad now. And I haven't even eaten this. Like, I'm so disappointed. Yeah, so now I'm gonna have to change plans. I don't know. I'm either gonna have to eat it with rice, and you know I was trying to stay away from rice this week, but it is what it is. I'll either eat it with rice or couscous. So this has been simmering for close to 30 minutes now. So I think I'm now ready to start adding in the fish and the veggies as well. And just like that, the soup is done now, you guys. It's the right consistency and it's so good. I cannot wait to actually dig in. It's like 5:30 right now, and I decided to make the puff puff since I've been craving it so much. And this is actually the second batch, so I'm almost done. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but I'm pretty sure you can see this on the side. I think it looks really good, but the first ones that I made were a little too big, so yeah, but I think they look good though. Right now they are nice and brown, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and show you what it looks like. Oh my god, let's get into this. It looks so good. Now I'm kind of wishing I made that sauce, you know, that onion sauce that goes with The pancake that we ate back in Gambia. Oh, okay. Where do you think you're going? But yeah, I am just too tired. I am not in the mood for it. But I am done, you guys. Let me show you. So I used my sister's recipe. If you would like to use this as well, maybe I can link it down below. But yeah, this is what the pancake looks like.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something.
I'm sorry I did not close the vlog yesterday, you guys. I was so tired. It's actually the next day, Sunday, and I just finished filming some content for you guys, so do look out for that. But I do hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Say yeah, I work hard each and every day. I get